Welcome back to my new channel. Today we're going to be doing farm animals. So I'm going to show you how to do a really animated cartoon farm animal, and then I'd like to see some of you showing us how you've dressed them up. Give them Superman capes, clothes, ties, things in their hair. We want to see creative things happening with these drawings I'm teaching you today. So take your piece of paper, it doesn't matter if it's plain white or lined, fold it in half. We're going to do 2 farm animals on this one. So let's start off with the pig because it's super easy to do. So we're only drawing on the left side right now. Do a nice big oval, taking up about 1/3 of the page, but don't do it right at the top. Do it a little bit lower down so we've got space for the ears. Then we're going to do a very big circle in there for a big snout. And then 2 circles for nostrils, and we colour them in. Let's do a little sideways smiley mouth and 2 beady little eyes. Then we're going to do his ears. They're basically slightly rounded triangles. So you're doing a round triangle with a round point and back down. And we do the same thing on the inside. Then for his body, we want 2 little curved lines like that on either side. And then we're going to do his legs sticking out and the hooves. So out, a little arrow, and back in, and a line to define the hoof. Then give him a really big fat tummy. And we're going to do legs and hooves at the bottom, the same way you did the top 2. Down, arrow, up, and a little hoof. Then we're going to join those lines together and do a little curly tail, and that's your pig. You can add in movement lines to make it more fun, and I'd like to see your pigs in superhero capes or dressed up in some way. So here's our finished product. This little pig, we've added some movement lines and he looks like he's dancing, and this one, he's on his way to work, so he's got his shirt and pants and tie. I'd love to see some of your pig characters, if you could do some with superhero capes or an underwater diver or something ridiculous and funny, and show us in the comments. Thanks so much for watching me draw. I hope you learned something today. Please subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more. We'll be making weekly posts.